Hello everybody, welcome to this Visual Studio Code. In this video, I will show you how to install VS Code, and it is a free open source lightweight code editor and supports most of the programming languages. You can download this from the official website, which is code.visualstudio.com, and I will leave a link in the description so that you can download and set up. Here we have the options for Windows, Mac and Linux as well. Now I am downloading for the Windows. Let's wait until download has been completed. So you can simply open the file, and I will use the default location. Okay. And here I would like to create a desktop icon and other options as well. And click on install. Let's wait until the installation has been completed. So once the installation is completed, you simply click the finish. When you first open VS Code, you may see the screen something like this. You need to select the theme. For now, I will go with the dark color and simply close it. So this is the screen. So there are multiple ways you can open a new file or any folder or a workspace as well. First, simply we can see how can we open this. Just open the command prompt and you can enter code space dot. It will open the VS Code. On the initial time, it will ask you. You just simply press the others. This is how you can able to open from the command prompt. And in case if you want to open a folder, let's create a, let me close this as well, and let's create a folder which is a VS Code demo, and in that let me create a text file for the testing purpose. So if you want to open this folder, you can also open with VS Code, and the other way is open command prompt from here and simply click code space dot. It will open our VS Code folder along with all the files which are available. And there are recent files which we have opened and some shortcuts, new file open, folder, etc. Simply close this. And if you want to create a new file, here we have a shortcut which is simply create whatever the file you want. For the testing purpose, I am creating a Python file. You can see the logo is automatically has been given. Also, you can create like .html. This also create gives you the icon. It will be so nice to see. And here the main tab of VS Code is Explorer. Also, you can see there are some other tabs right here. They are very frequently used tabs. You are probably going to use all of these actually while developing or writing in VS Code. So anyways, that's it for this video. I hope this video is helpful for you. If it was, make sure leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on another video.